So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Warm welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a papaya juice. Guys, this juice is good for your digestion system. And guys, if you have a good digestion system, you're going to have a good immune system. And remember, if you have a good immune system, you're going to have a good health. Please subscribe to my channel, touch the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Okay guys, let's start it. Alright, so I have my papaya here, my fresh papaya. So I'm just gonna make a glass. I'm not gonna blend too much because I'm just gonna make just one glass. So I'm just gonna use half of this. First, you just take out all the seeds. Clean out the inside properly. One moment guys, one moment. Then you want to peel your papaya. Just keep peeling your papaya. Take off all the skin. So I'm just going to cut it up. Remember guys, your hands have to be well clean, you know, because this is good for the digestion system. Peel up your papaya. Make sure you take off all the skins. Then you want to cut it up. This is going to go right in the blender. So you cut it up the way you like it. There's no strict rules to this one. So this papaya is gonna go right into the blender, guys. Okay? So here I have my blender. Put all my papaya inside. Let me just clean here a while, because I like when my place is clean. It's good for the hygiene. I just want to put a little water here, not too much, just to cover the papaya. Let me get a little bit more. Okay, so this is just about it. Yeah? So I'm going to cover my blender, put it right here. And then I'm going to blend. Okay guys, here is my papaya juice. Look very nice, organic. This is good for the digestion system, giving you a good immune system. So I'm going to pour my papaya juice here. And guys, this is my papaya juice. You can drink it in the morning. You can use it like a breakfast. Yeah? Very nice. Take up all these seeds here. A little clean up here. And guys, this is my papaya drink. Very delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Touch the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. So when my next video comes out, you can be the first one to receive it. Thank you again guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.